Hello there YouTubers, my name's Charlie Chinden. It is Tuesday the 30th of December 2025 and I'm now going to conduct a spirit box session with the intention of attempting to communicate with the spirits of the two men who lost their lives in the Anthony Joshua car crash. Now the car crash involving Anthony Joshua took place on December the 29th 2025 in Nigeria, and the two men that sadly lost their lives were Sina Gami and Latif Ayodele. So I shall turn on the PSB7 here, which I've connected to my stereo speakers for added volume. I shall go into reverse sweep and we'll see what we can get. Are there any spirit beings present, please, who can bring forward the spirits of Sina Gami and Latif Ayodele, please? Sina Gami and Latif Ayodele, if you speak into this device, I can hear you. Sina Gami and Latif Ayodele, are you now at peace in the afterlife?
100%.
Sina Gami and Latif Ayodele, have you been reunited with each other in the afterlife?
Thank you so much. I wish
Sina Gami and Latif Ayodele, do either of you have a message for Anthony Joshua?
It's his own.
Sina Gami and Latif Ayodele, can either of you describe the crash?
Come on.
Sina Gami and Latif Ayodele, do either of you have a message for your families?
Return.
Sina Gami and Latif Ayodele, are you aware that Anthony Joshua survived the crash?
Interesting, man.
Sina Gami and Latif Ayadeli. Have either of you returned to England in spirit?
No. I hope.
Okay, I'm going to go now. I'd like to thank you all for your communication, and I mean you all the greatest of respect. Can anybody say goodbye to me, please, or give me a final message? Okay, goodbye.